All of you welcome to the mechanical engineering workshop practice. What is the importance of studying this mechanical engineering practice? See, after the completion of your training, you will get a chance to serve in a company or a corporation or a government sector or a quasi-government. At that time, you will have to lead a team of workers under you. At that time, if you are not having any idea about the work, definitely you will be in trouble. In order to avoid such a difficulty, we may study the mechanical engineering workshop practice. Also, you can improve your skill, punctuality, discipline, etc. through these courses. And your syllabus is concerned, first of all, the general studies. General studies includes tools, components, and its applications. Regarding the tools, screwdriver. What do you mean by screwdriver? This is a device or a tool used for driving the screws. The types of screwdrivers are slotted, Phillips, Torx, Mossad drive, starts, etc. The tip of the screwdriver is so shaped according to the shape of the screws. And cutting plier. What do you mean by cutting plier? Cutting plier is a tool used for cutting thin sheets, small rods, and wires. This is also used for removing counter pin of the machining parts. Then spanners. What do you mean by spanner? This is used for tightening and loosening of nut and bolts. And types of spanners are double end, single end, ring, combination, etc. Vanadium steel is used for making these spanners. And Allen key. Allen key is also used for loosening and tightening of Allen screws. This is a right-angle bent in shape and is made out of chrome vanadium steel. And the components are concerned: bearing, seals, O-ring, and circlets, etc. And bearing is concerned, this is a bearing. This is used for rotating and supporting the moving parts of a machine. This is also used for reducing the friction between the assembly parts. There are so many types of bearing: thrust bearing, ball bearing. This is a ball bearing, and similar types of bearing. And seals. Seal is a device is used for assembly of in between the making parts. Suppose you want to assemble a cylinder to a cylinder head. In between cylinder and cylinder head, we will place on seal for getting a cushioning effect and a tight fit. It is also to you. This can be prevented the leakage of oil and exhaust. And O-ring is concerned. This is a rubber round shaped ring is used to fit between the backing part, round backing parts. And circlip is a device normally used to fit in a shaft immediately after placing the gears or shafts. It is used for preventing the lateral movement of the shaft. And the trades are concerned. First one is fitting, carpentry, sheet metal, foundry, welding, and machines. These 5 items: fitting, carpentry, sheet metal, foundry, and welding, we will have to make one model each for each trades. Fitting is concerned. What do you mean by fitting? Fitting Suppose we want to make a machine or an engine. How these engines are manufactured? By the assembling of small parts together to fit a workable engine. Our interest is to make small components or parts with high accuracy. Then finally this has to be fitted together. This involves certain tools, materials and process. And carpentry. Carpentry is woodwork is involved. Suppose you want to make some furniture like a table, chair, or building roof structures, etc. At that time, here we have to use several tools. And